this is a trespassing of the port kawasan larangan, not in security area. And then we have done our part because we have asked. And the point is, we don't have Indian workers here. There's only one Indian PPSB worker. This is done by the other workers who come to earn a living in the port, stevedores, those private contractors, those working in the godowns. You know.
Oh, it's not done by your people?
Not by my people. I have only one Indian worker here. So the issue of this...
normally even in government land, if you want to do any action, you just put the notice top there, ask them to say or else the action. Anytime you can communicate with the port. So there's less, there's less controversy when
as I said, you could have called the parties and we could have relocated.
In fact,
whatever said, I say, you cannot go and robo a temple, a shrine. I mean, that's my argument. I've always said that.
Yes, I agree. Anybody, any religion is wrong not to do everything. But in the first place, we have to look, is it correct to trespass twice, not once? The first time we trespass, we put back, seal. That means this is not right. You should ask in a proper manner if at all you want. Then again you cut, and without permission you go and build. If people come to your house, your compound, will you allow that thing to happen? Definitely no. In the first place it was done wrong. So how to correct? You must understand, look at our point of view.
We can say that also, just like in all other government land also.
Okay.
So they say, but what you do is just put a
you say put a notice. Okay.
And say that if there's any reference, you can go and contact this person.
We will take note of that.
Because by not doing that, it create a lot of happiness within. That's something that people feel as if they are respected, like walking on.
I know.
So if that has been, at least you have done all matters. Because when you want to tear down anything, also you will definitely create some
tension in future.
If you especially places of worship, however worn down they are, places of worship,
and then you can do a number sensitive. You always contact the video and number one, so at least we can see what we can do. Because if you talk about safety, also we understand that there are also safety concerns. We got to assess them, but just to tear down without any notice.
The councils and JKKs, they would have informed me.
But okay, like what I have told YP Ramasambi on Friday, we had a meeting. We come, we sit down. My experience, this happened, YP, sorry, I did that. In Batu Swap, the same thing happened 15 years ago. I was there. Overnight, after Chinese New Year, 3 days holiday, when we came to office, we saw a structure and with the 2 horses there. So people are not happy. How come this happened? Okay, we went to see MPSP. Okay, how to go about it? What we were told, this is within your area, your compound, and it was done illegally. You have every right to remove it. So based on that experience, I still remember that. I did it. And in fact, not simply do. I give 1.5 months notice. Get the workers. Now ask them. Nobody come in, say, okay, we are a people, come, we discuss. Nothing. And even before we demolish on Monday again, on the 16th of April, we called one guy. He just didn't say anything, no response. So what can we do? We feel that we have done our part. Sorry lah, but
the manner is done. I think sometimes also created. If you put a notice there, and then say that before that those who are responsible, please contact.
In future, we take note of.
So that one, because that's what we do also amongst government structures, government land. We also will put. Government land we don't have to do any notice all along. You can just go in. But yet, despite that, we do have notice, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. So this has created some unhappiness.
Okay,
same. They also want to be heard.
Later.
Now we take a small group.
No, we just want to see it. I'll join you there after SMI. Just want to have a look. Here, because I think some of these.
Do you still want me to be here, or I just welcome to that?
So, the other thing is we want to. We were told that we are going to find another site to rebuild.
This paper.
I just spoke to the Hilmi. What he said was misquoted. Actually, they were talking. He didn't say that. Okay, they are going to give another land. No. He said look into the possibility with all the DG. They are requesting here from that place they want it to be placed here. But I say it's still within the, because for conveyance of gases you need 80 meters radius. For liquid DG, 50 meters radius. Even at the ship site also the same. No ship can be
So
built.
it means that
It's still out.
He's not rebuilding or finding a site.
I don't think so.
So no other place.
That's right. Because with number one, this issue should not arise because we don't have Indian worker here. It's just those workers from outside, they come to work.
Tapi bang, sini kerja semua 20% Indian workers juga. Lu cakap Indian workers, sekarang Indian workers, 70% Indian workers kerja.
Here.
Penang port terala, tapi kerja kapal siapa? Semua Indian juga.
Okay. And one more thing, please, the star, check with us because twice they wrote it's not really good.
No, so what you're saying actually help me didn't say it like that. Like
what
not rebuilding
yes,
or
what is it? Okay,
according to this.
Thank you. Wait that. Huh?
40 years plus. Because
he says no. He says only
he
just started.
we do the prayers and we get approval. We cut the code here and we do the approval. The approval.
Yeah, Mr. Govin.
I was 26
so
years.
He said just now it is not 50 years old. He's new. So okay, you don't agree with that.
We can show the structure. The old structure is here. We can show that how many years the one. We can see the structure is there still. It exists more than 40 years. And then we do the prayer. We every time after permission and cut code and pray here.
Every year.
And then this pipelining.
Every year when, Mr.
May, roundly May. May. 1st of May.
That is the celebration.
Yeah. And then this pipelining exists
so
only 10 years. 1998 only.
It's 40, 50 years. 40
yes.
years.
This pipelining exists on 1998 only.
Yes.
Before that temple was here.
I see. Okay.
Now only they put the fences also. Old fences above there. Our temple actually located out from the port. Now this is a new fence. After 1998 only this exists.
It's near a river, isn't it?
Yeah. These things happen. So for 80% of Indians workers are working here. Port user, I mean, the permanent workers, we don't know how many staff they have.
He said only one Indian. That's why he said only one Indian. Okay. But for the port workers, stevedores and all that.
80% was Indians. All Indians port users. So I also working in nearly 26 years already in this port.
So it's 40 years. Everybody agree, not? Is it 40 years? Yeah. 40 years, put a hand at least, you know.
Hey, 40 years, apa
put up, long. Lama, angkat lama. So you are the chairman here, Chairman lah. You are the one in charge lah.
Actually, this temple comes out.
What's your name? Sorry.
Shan.
Mr. Shan what? Shanmugam. Shanmugam. Okay.
This temple come up before the port. Yeah. When we start the contract work, we pray, we start. Yes. From that onwards, the temple is there.
Right.
Okay. Now suddenly, PPC, not this only. Prior in 1937 temple they want to break.
Yes.
But the wharf also more than 40 years. Before the wharf there, we pray, then we start the work always. Is it? This also the same thing. Now all the head people from PPC, they want to demolition is free. We are still fighting. This one suddenly nobody informed.
But the other two,
one is in Pride.
One in Pride. Okay, the other one not affected lah. We just talk about this one first. We talk about this one. Yes, we talk about this one. The other one still okay, isn't it?
Still okay, but they want to do it.
Yes. So they are doing this. We talk about this first. Then we talk about the other later. If not, we get mixed up. The reporters get confused. So we talk about this first. This one is 50 years, is it, Mr. Shan? So every year in May you come and do prayer.
Every year we will cut the goat and all the workers,
Indian workers,
and the port people also lah.
Yes.
Come and do it. Because last time 90% of port workers Indian. Now not even 10%.
Left one is correct.
Left one
is correct. Before was happened, all 90% all for Indian workers. I'm 30 years workers here. This is now. Guan Eng know me very well also. Okay. That's what happened. But this all but covered by new, but not old. So every day they have a prayer.
So, but then the private companies workers, the port workers, even though not
Now,
they are all Indians.
Yes.
So you are all prayed here. Yes.
Including the port workers. Now they don't have the port workers.
Only one.
Only one. So they just simply can push it out. Because you can say that you don't have staff. All are contract workers and the stevedores. You say,
Still we have 3,000 people in and out every day. No?
every day we are in and out.
80% of workers.
So now what they do in Butterworth, they already close up, there is the bridge there, the temple there.
Because that temple, 20 years back, when Mr. Tong was there, our Indian people, all the big people, we go up to the meeting, then they approve. I got in a minute. Okay, we don't touch this one. That one also still now they're blocking. See? A lot of things they're going on, but we tell also, I don't know what to say.
When was there was a temple rebuilt in January? No.
No.
They say that you all built
Relocate.
The old structure gave way. So, people will pray, they redo it back because the old structure gave way. So the redoing, they claim it is new.
And then they claim you cut through the wire, no lah.
The wire was
Already cut it. They were already cut it already.
So now he said just now, where is Star? Star is not around.
Dia tukang. Only the photographer.